Hey there! Welcome back to CompareInternet.com. We're here to give you the straight talk on the best internet deals. Today, we're going to review Brightspeed, a brand new internet service provider. We'll go over availability, pricing, speeds, reliability, equipment, and customer experience. Let's start with availability. Brightspeed is a brand new provider, so you might be tempted to think it's a small startup. On the contrary, my friend, Brightspeed serves over 1 million customers in the Midwest and Southeast. Well, how on earth did that happen? Brightspeed bought out a large DSL network in October 2022. Their goal is to transition all their customers to fiber as quickly as possible. That means from the moment Brightspeed launched, it was already the 12th largest internet provider in the US, serving mostly the Midwest and the Southeast. Brightspeed is building out fiber as fast as possible, so right now it offers both DSL and fiber service. One of Brightspeed's strong points is its pricing, because it's simple and transparent. You get good, consistent prices without hidden fees or surprise price increases. Brightspeed has no data caps, so you won't face overage fees on your monthly bill. No required contracts means no hidden cancellation fees. It's just straightforward, low pricing that is easy to understand. Brightspeed is also an active supporter of the Federal Affordable Connectivity Program. So if you qualify as a lower income household, you can get assistance with your monthly internet payment. Overall, Brightspeed will give you great deals on fiber plans and decent prices on DSL plans. So we give Brightspeed a strong 4 stars for pricing. We really like their unusually straightforward, customer-friendly pricing where what you see is what you get. Now, let's go over what to expect from reliability and performance. Brightspeed Fiber will give you premium speed and reliability. DSL performance is going to vary. So splitting the difference, we give 3.75 stars for Brightspeed's internet performance. From fiber, you'll get all the power you need for gaming, streaming, and more. Fiber internet gives you symmetrical upload and download speeds, which is way ahead of any other internet technology. Now with DSL, your speeds will be slower, but in many rural areas where Brightspeed still has a legacy DSL network, there isn't a cable or fiber option. So Brightspeed still may be your best choice while you wait for their rapid fiber build-out to reach you. So how about equipment and installation? With some Brightspeed fiber plans, you will get a free modem with advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology. Plus, you'll get free installation. For some other plans, you'll have a $15 a month modem rental fee. If you need a pro installation, you'll pay a $99 installation fee, which is about average, but for many plans, you can self-install for free. So we'll give Brightspeed 4.25 stars for equipment and installation. Here's what we can tell you about Brightspeed's commitment to customer support. Brightspeed receives 4 stars for customer service with a promising beginning for a new company. You can get help from customer service by online chat 24/7, and phone support is also available. Other helpful online resources include a troubleshooting guide, technician tracker, and service appointment manager. Let's finish with a quick overview of what to expect from Brightspeed Internet. Brightspeed's overall rating is a solid 4 stars. With all Brightspeed plans, you'll get unlimited data, no required contracts, and straightforward low pricing. Brightspeed Fiber will give you great performance in every way, though DSL speeds will vary. With Brightspeed's mission to bring customers fiber as fast as possible, we recommend Brightspeed Internet as a good choice for now and the future. And that's the straight talk on Brightspeed. Come back and see us for more reviews and info here at CompareInternet.com. Visit us at our website. We have detailed plans and prices to help you find the best internet provider for you. See you soon.